Traveling is exciting, but did you know it also makes you more vulnerable to cyber threats? Whether you're on a business trip, vacation, or even just commuting, hackers are always looking for ways to exploit unsuspecting travelers. In today's video, I'll share essential tips to protect your devices, data, and privacy while traveling. These simple, yet effective steps will help you stay secure no matter where you go. Let's get started. One of the biggest threats while traveling is public Wi-Fi. Airports, hotels, and cafes may offer free internet, but they are often unsecured, making it easy for hackers to intercept your data. Here's what you can do. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts. Don't access banking apps or personal emails on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN. A virtual private network encrypts your internet traffic, making it nearly impossible for hackers to snoop on your activity. Turn off Auto Connect. Disable the feature on your device that automatically connects to open Wi-Fi networks. And remember that while public Wi-Fi is convenient, it's rarely worth the risk unless you take precautions. Your devices are treasure troves of information, and losing them while traveling can be disastrous. Here's how to keep them safe. Set strong passwords. Use a password or biometric lock on all your devices. Enable Find My Device. Apps like Find My iPhone or Android's equivalent can help you locate a lost device or remotely wipe it if necessary. Avoid charging stations. Public charging stations can be compromised with malware. Instead, use your own charger and plug it into a power outlet. And keep in mind that securing your devices is just as important as securing your luggage. Traveling often means you using different devices and sharing information more frequently. Hackers know this, so minimize your data exposure with these tips. Backup before you go. Create a full backup of your devices in case they are lost or stolen. Limit social media posts. Avoid posting your location in real time, as it can alert criminals that you're away from home. Carry minimal data. Only bring what you truly need. Leave sensitive documents and unnecessary devices at home. And remember, less exposure means less risk, so take steps to minimize the data you carry. When it comes to staying secure on the go, trusted networks and tools are your best allies. Buy a local SIM card or portable hotspot. These are safer alternatives to public Wi-Fi. Secure cloud storage. Use encrypted cloud services to store and access files while traveling. Update your software. Ensure all your devices are running the latest security patches before your trip. By making these small investments in security, you may save yourself a lot of trouble in the long run. Traveling doesn't have to mean compromising your cybersecurity. By avoiding public Wi-Fi risks, securing your devices, minimizing data exposure, and using trusted networks, you can enjoy your trip without worry. Have you had any cybersecurity issues while traveling? Share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips to stay safe online, whether you're at home or on the go. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.